Welcome to our tech tutorial channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting feature that brings a touch of dynamic elegance to your web projects. I'll show you how to create a dynamic text color changer for your website using HTML and JavaScript. This nifty feature automatically adjusts your text color based on the background color, ensuring optimal readability and a polished look. Well, let's start by writing a simple HTML structure, then move on to the JavaScript logic that makes the magic happen. We will use the body element to set the background color, input element for changing the background color, and of course our text, which will dynamically change the color based on the background. Since we have already prepared the HTML structure, let's move to the JavaScript and make it work. To build this feature, we need to determine the brightness of the background to decide the appropriate text color. Let's start with the function that calculates brightness. First, we define the getBrightness function, which takes a hex color string as input. We extract the red, green, and blue components from the hex color using substring and parseInt. Next, we calculate the brightness using the formula for luminance, which is a weighted sum of the red, green, and blue values. This function returns a brightness value that we'll use to determine the appropriate text color. Now, let's move on to the next function, called setTextColor. This function sets the text color based on the background color's brightness. Here, we select the text element and calculate the brightness of the given background color using the getBrightness function. If the brightness is less than 128, we set the text color to white, otherwise, we set it to black. This ensures optimal contrast for readability. Finally, we add an event listener to the color input element. This listener responds to the input event, which triggers whenever the user selects a new color. In this part, we select the body element and update its background color to match the user's input. We then call the setTextColor function with the new color value, ensuring the text color is updated dynamically based on the new background color. And there you have it. As you can see, when we change the background color, the text color updates automatically to ensure it's always readable. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more coding tips and tutorials.